This tractor's deader than a doornail. Let's see if I can get it going. I'm pretty sure it just needs a battery, so I'll try that first. Whenever I disconnect a battery, I unhook the negative cable first, then the positive. These terminals are covered in corrosion, and one side of the battery bracket wasn't even attached. Then when I took the other side apart, I dropped the nut down in the engine. Here's a hack I use when I drop a bolt somewhere I can't see. I use the camera on my phone to get it out. So I did a little research, and the battery that was in this tractor was too small. It was a group 34, but it takes a larger group 31. I went with this Caterpillar battery. It has over 1,000 cold cranking amps. I sprayed the battery clamps with a cleaner, and then I used this tool to clean out the inside. Now when I reinstall the battery, I hooked up the positive side first and then the negative side last. Finally, I sprayed the terminals with a protectant, so hopefully it won't corrode again. Let's see if it'll start. Now that this Ford tractor has a Caterpillar battery, I feel like I could build a highway with it.